When it comes to label quality, a lot is at stake. In addition to fines and rejected shipments, manufacturers take on the costs and other negative impacts resulting from process downtime, regulatory issues, and upset customers. In this video, we'll show you 7 steps that will help you ensure that 100% of your labels are compliant with regulations and quality requirements at the point of label production. The LVS 7510 thermal printer label inspection system provides both print quality inspection and barcode verification with integration into popular industrial thermal transfer printers. Labels are inspected as they're printed with no slowdown in the label printing operation unless a defective label is found. Inline inspection is an integral part of a label compliance and quality approach, which includes label design software, offline barcode verification, and 100% label quality checks. Step 1. First, you need to design your label, making sure that all necessary content and elements are included, such as a unique device identifier, or UDI, in human and machine-readable form on medical device labels. Step 2. Use a handheld barcode verifier to check the barcode design, label print quality, and data structure to relevant application standards such as GS1. The LVS 9580 from Microscan is a high-performance handheld solution for offline barcode verification. Step 3. Print and scan representative labels to import the label design into the LVS 7510. Step 4. Establish the label inspection criteria within the LVS 7510 software. The LVS 7510 can inspect any combination of 1D and 2D barcodes and grade them using internationally accepted standards. In addition, it can identify print faults such as blemishes, read and verify OCR text, and verify numerical series and encoded data. Step 5. Push the label inspection template into production. Step 6. Run a batch of labels and determine inspection results. The LVS 7510 automatically identifies and rejects faulty labels and stops the printer at failure, which gives 100% insurance for data and print quality. Step 7. If necessary, based on the label production results, make adjustments to the label design, printing system, or inspection criteria. The LVS 7510 inspection system can be used for product and carton label verification in medical device manufacturing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, consumer goods packaging and automotive components, household appliances, and many other applications. Implementing a barcode and print quality verification system in your operations will help you guarantee label and barcode legibility and compliance to industry standards, and of course keep any non-compliant labels out of the supply chain.